An update we're tracking from Bengaluru in Karnataka. Sexual assault case has been reported in the city. A girl was allegedly sexually assaulted by a biker last night. So this is a shocker coming in from Bengaluru. We're learning that the accused has been identified by the police. Raman Gupta, the Additional Commissioner East, has said it happened around 1 a.m. this morning. A rape incident has been reported in the HSR layout police station limits. A girl who tried to take a lift from a two-wheeler from a bike-borne man, an unknown person who took her to an isolated place. Rather than taking her to the designated place, he tried to then rape her. That's the shocking piece of news coming in from Bengaluru, and a rape case has already been registered. The victim in this case is currently undergoing treatment.
Today early morning, around between 1 to 1:30, one rape incident has been reported in HSR layout police station limits, and where one major girl who tried to take a lift on a two-wheeler at around 1 o'clock in the night, and that person, instead of going to the designated place, he took her to some isolated place and tried to rape her. And in this regard, we have registered one rape case. Further investigation is taken up, and she is being admitted to one private hospital where she is undergoing treatment. Her condition is stable, and further investigation is going.
Let me go across to my colleague Ritu joining us with more details. Ritu, at a time that the entire nation is angry at the RJ Kar medical episode, at a time that we see Reclaim the Night movement resonate across the country, not just West Bengal, comes the shocker from Bengaluru. Tell us a little bit about the investigations here, though.
You rightly pointed out, it's a shocking incident that has come to light from Bengaluru, where this incident took place in Bengaluru's HSR layout around 1 a.m. is what we are given to understand from the police. So what police is in fact saying that the girl was actually returning from the get-together party, and that's when she takes this lift from a biker. But apparently this biker completely misuses that whole circumstances. Rather than actually dropping her to a designated location, he utilized that situation to allegedly sexually assault her. And in fact, therein you see later point, it was the girl who had in fact kept the father's and one of her friend's number on the SOS. She continuously takes uses that whole situation to in fact clicking on that SOS, and that's the time when the friend of her gets this message, including the father as well. But the friend then further actually talks about this whole to another friend, and that's when you see few of her friends actually came to the location to rescue her and then took her to an hospital. Now what police is also saying that the medical examination of the girl has been done, so police is waiting for the report to come over, but needs to be seen how is it all going to be taken up, because the politics again is going to be erupting over this matter is what has been seen as of now, because we had seen a couple of such incidents coming to light in Bengaluru itself for the last couple of months regarding the safety of the women. So yes, this is another shocker that has come to light from Bengaluru.
Okay, so the survivors' friends received this emergency message and hence came out in support of her when they saw her in distress. She's being given medical attention, Ritu. But tell us a little bit about, the accused in this case. Is there just one suspect as is being spoken of by the police?
As of now, what we are given to understand from the police side is that it was one biker, in fact, who was actually taking her to that location which she had actually asked for. But however, he goes on to utilize that situation, but needs to be seen, because as of now the police has been able to identify this accused. When is it that he will be arrested is a question, because police has also found multiple special teams to arrest this particular accused at the earliest to understand who he is, or for that matter he is from Bengaluru itself. What was he doing there? What was he under that state as well? So all that investigation will be taken up as what has been stated by the cops.
Okay, all right. Investigation still in its preliminary stages. Many thanks, Ritu, for joining us with the latest. Shifting our attention